Okay, so here on the outside and the front of the property, it didn't take long to find some issues that are not as common, at least not to the extent I see it right here. Like fascia damage right there from termites. Fascia damage right there from termites is pretty normal, but once it starts going up the trusses, and to the extent that it's damaged, means that they pretty much were left to themselves for quite a while. And I would expect to see similar type damage, at least in the immediate area, if not throughout the house. So part of the review here in the attic is looking at that truss damage I saw from the outside from the termites. As you can see right here, or wood destroying organism, this is how it comes in to the middle of the house. See all that pile of frass right there? All the frass inside of there. So that's the first spot I found in here. A lot of it's buried though underneath this insulation, the blown insulation in that direction. It's covering up all the trusses. So if you see that in the middle right there, you can pretty much gather that it's going to be elsewhere. Then the next one over, see something that I don't see too often, but I catch it when I see it, is that truss right there. That's pretty charred. So this house apparently had a pretty good fire at one point. So recommendation for the termite is going to be make sure the termite bond, and then if the damage is significant, to repair the damage. The recommendation for the charring is pretty much the same thing. Make sure that the fire department, get all the information from the fire department, because it looks like one that the fire department would respond to, and also from the building department to make sure that all the electrical, plumbing, AC ductwork and structure has been remediated properly. But check this out. That piece was sitting in the fire for a while. It's not just a light charcoal like you normally see when, you know, fire first starts and then they put it out. That thing burned for a little bit. It is sistered. It does have a new piece attached right to it. Same with that piece over there. It is sistered, but we'll try to see from the inside right here how far back it's sistered. It's supposed to go back at least into 3 to 5 feet of good wood. It should be attached to right there, and then continue on down. If you have engineering, then the engineer already went through their calculations and they gave the remedy, and hopefully the repairs were done to that standard. All right, that's it so far, right off the bat, right in the front. Let's keep looking.